Have you ever wondered how regular people make money online while they sleep? I was completely clueless about affiliate marketing. Now I'm embarking on a journey to earn my first commissions and documenting every step of the process. I'm not an expert or a guru, and I'm definitely making mistakes. Here's what makes me different. I'm showing every step of the process, complete transparency, wins, failures, success stories, and I'm documenting everything as I go along this journey. I invite you to join me and get an honest look. No BS, no games, no polished success, just real life encounters with affiliate marketing. And I'm going to recommend some products that you can genuinely believe in. Let's go. So first thing, affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product and receive a commission for every sale you refer. Pretty simple. So you have the merchant or brand, then you have the affiliate, then you have the consumer. The merchant or brand provides the affiliate, which is you, or me in this case. We promote the product on a blog, website, in person, whatever. And the consumer purchases the product. Super simple, very straightforward. Here's the typical affiliate marketing flow. Join the affiliate program, receive a tracking link, create content featuring your affiliate links, consumer clicks and purchases, the merchant tracks the conversion, you earn a commission for every single sale that you make. I know you must be thinking, why did I choose affiliate marketing? For about 6 years, I did network marketing. And trust me, that was hard. It takes a lot of discipline, a lot of personal growth, a lot of maturity. And I really just didn't have it back then. I was just not in that mental space. When I eventually quit, I went on to do sales and I even joined the army. And I thought to myself, man, I need to look back into marketing. And I thought to myself, wait, there's a lot of good that came from network marketing, not just a closet full of books. I learned believe in myself. I learned that one is too small a number to achieve success. And most importantly, I learned a concept called prosumer power. Prosumer power is the ability to produce and consume at the same time. So if I am a producer, I'm producing value, I'm producing a product, or in this case, I'm simply promoting a product that's produced by someone else. And if I'm a consumer, I'm using that product. In this case, I'm using a product and I'm recommending that to you. So I consume and produce value. You must be thinking, how does this relate to affiliate marketing? It's the same thing. If I use a product, if I buy that product and I use it and recommend it to you, that means that you get a product. I get commission if you pay for that product, and the business person or the business owner gets a sale from both of us. So it's a win-win-win all around. And I thought to myself, anyways, I kind of like to just make products and recommend them to my friends and family. So why not just make money while I'm doing it? Super simple, right? Now, of all the different ways to make money online, why did I choose affiliate marketing? Low startup costs. Literally, I think you could start a great affiliate marketing business with $200 to $500 maximum. And I don't even recommend jumping into paying for any hosting or anything right now or buying any courses. Definitely not. You don't have to create the product yourself. I would like to do a lot of stuff in the future, but that's going to take a lot more time and money and resources. With affiliate marketing, you just start with what you got and post reviews or yourself using the product. Of course, you can work from anywhere in the world, and it has a lot of passive income potential. And this business is actually very scalable. Whether you make one affiliate sale or 100,000 or 1 million, it's just one product. It's one link that you post. It's one video that you make about this. And any amount of people can watch it and you still make that money. It's crazy. Now you're thinking, how can AI help? I'm obsessed with AI. I'm fascinated by it. I'm really looking into it. I'm getting really serious about it. This is the next wave and it's kind of already been here. Of course, as usual, I'm late to the party, but I still want to party. Notebook LM, which is a good resource I use to kind of summarize YouTube videos. Gemini and Claude, like my personal assistants, they help me navigate my thoughts and really organize information. ChatGPT, they got YouTube summarizers, they got image generators, so much, and some good research tools, so much GPTs. So worth it. Microsoft Copilot, I think, is like a free version of ChatGPT, very useful as well. How did I learn, guys? The long and short, I just kind of watch videos and read blog posts. I'm sure I could purchase a course in the future, but right now, I want to show you guys exactly how to do what I'm doing, all free. Now that we've got some strategy out of the way and kind of understand more about affiliate marketing, let's set some expectations right here. In the first year, guys, I'd say expect zero, but maybe $200 to $300 maximum profit for the whole year. Yep, I said it. You got to be patient. Play the long game. Year two, I'd say if you're doing your thing, you're putting in the hours, maybe 5 to 20 hours per week, I'd say you can expect maybe $1,000 per month or more. You could make more, you never know, but I'd say to set your expectations reasonable, not too low, not too high, because just be prepared, guys, for the long game. It could happen fast, it could happen slow. And of course, you guys know this can make you a lot of money. So guys, here's your 5-step action plan. The first thing you gotta do is choose your niche. Kind of navigate between topics you're genuinely interested in or passionate about, problems you personally want solved, products you interact with daily, markets with good earning potential and proven consumer demand, subjects you're knowledgeable about. Personally, I'm going to just start with something I have to interact with. I have a wife and a baby, and I have to interact with a lot of baby products, a lot of kitchen utensils I probably wouldn't use, so I've kind of gotten into it. I've really dived into everything I can do with this, so I have to use those on a daily basis. I'm going to make a video about them, for sure. No doubt. Some good niches are sustainable living products, home fitness equipment and programs, personal finance. That's what our channel is about as well. Remote work, software and gadgets, health and wellness supplements. Step 2, select an affiliate program. Now, I won't lie, I'm gonna go with Amazon. That's just where I'm at. I think that's the best one to go with right now. For a newbie, ClickBank, ShareSale, CG Affiliate, and direct programs are also some good choices. And the biggest thing is to consider the reputation, the commission structure, the cookie duration, and how you're going to be paid whenever choosing a particular website or program to go on for your affiliate. Step 3, build your platform. Blog or website, YouTube channel, social media, email list, podcast. If everyone got a podcast, why not just have one too? This is like a freaking hobby at this point. The best social platforms are YouTube, Pinterest, Facebook, Snapchat, and Instagram by far. And if you can promote on these platforms, you can definitely make some good money. For the best free blog websites, I'd say WordPress, WordPress.com, Wix.com, Blogger, Medium, Ghostly, and Weebly. Personally, I use Blogger for my blog. I'm actually looking at my blog right now while presenting, and I think it's pretty cool. If you guys know of any other platforms that I may not have mentioned, or maybe if you know of a platform I may have mentioned that's more useful, please let me know if you have experience with it. Number 2, the best paid hosting website I'd say is Hostinger, for sure. That's a great website. All the good YouTubers recommend Hostinger. Step 4, create valuable content. Now, we have 5 methods. Product reviews, detailed honest assessments, comparison posts, product A versus product B, tutorials, resource pages, and problem-solving content. I will talk on comparison posts. I bought a lawnmower the other day, and I looked on a website that had comparisons, and it was really helpful to determine the best possible lawnmower based on my budget, and I think that's a really good method. Tutorials are also really helpful. I know I've encountered those a lot, and product reviews are kind of standard. Now, step 5, drive traffic and optimize your platform. SEO optimization, viral content creation, short form videos, social media marketing and email marketing, and paid advertising. For SEO, SEMrush and Google Trends, great platforms to kind of use it to maximize your SEO. Viral content kind of goes without saying. Short form videos, I definitely think that short form videos are the future of marketing, of affiliate marketing, because it's kind of so addictive. People are just loving the short form content. Email marketing is also dope, and paid advertising will probably never go away. Some best practices, guys: always test everything you do. Test all your headlines, your hooks, your call to action placements, your content format, your traffic sources. Test everything and track your results. Build authority. Now, choose a niche that you can be the main guy in. Just choose a niche where it's small, but you can really zone in. And don't forget to add your personal touch. Incorporate your voice into everything, your uniqueness. AI is dope, but don't forget to add you. All right, let's think. So let's kind of mention 2 very important tools I'll be using, and I think you should use too. Don't click off. This is really important. Kit.co. This is like a storefront for all your affiliate links, and it can really present it in a very appealing and eye-stimulating way. Number 2 is Genius Link. Now, this kind of gives you a choice page where you can definitely have multiple stores you can get the same product from. Really, really helpful. And I think this will improve your conversions. And the good thing about this allows you to put your Amazon links in emails, in SMS. Well, they have to be opted in. You can't just send it to people unsolicited, but they have to opt in. So you can put them in ebooks as well to make it a bit more, classy. So my recommendations for affiliate marketing, please guys, do not rush to buy a course. Try using a free blog website or social media platform and just coast. Put in some hours every day. Don't rush to buy any website. Don't rush to sign up to hosting gear. Don't rush to buy a course. Take your time. It will happen slowly. Do sign up for the programs with an EIN. Get it from irs.gov. Or if you're not in the US, you can get one. You can get an EIN through a different process. If you guys want to know more about that, comment and I will make a video on that too. Open a new bank account so you can track your earnings. Standard organization practices, do it. Do not value affiliates over authenticity, transparency, and honesty. Always build trust. Remember guys, it's all about getting your customers to value and trust you. And post every day. Post an article every day. Start with like 10 or 20. Common mistakes. Do not promote too many products. Research your products, guys. Always disclose that you're gonna make money from these links. And prioritize commission over value. And I forgot one, number 5. Don't quit. Just keep going, man. You're not gonna make money right away. You gotta believe. Yeah, so believe. The future of affiliate marketing. As we move deeper into 2025, I can guarantee you everything's gonna be AI personalized, and trust me, I think you're gonna get more behavioral recommendations based on AI algorithms or something like that. That sounds really smart, guy. Voice search optimization. I think that's kind of already known. You can search with your voice. Video content. Like I mentioned earlier, short form videos are gonna really be the biggest, I think, ways to make money with affiliate marketing. Influencer collaboration. Not only do we have micro influencers, guys, but we got AI influencers now. So be prepared to use these different strategies to implement your affiliate marketing. Increased focus on disclosure and privacy. I think that's a good thing because, you got to protect everyone and disclose everything. You're going to disclose that you're making money from these links. Now we got my cash flow critic income stream ranking table. Money potential. How much can you earn? High long-term upside. I gave it a 9. Fast payoff. How quickly it becomes profitable. You can start earning in 2 to 3 months. I gave it a 9. Growth potential. Now you won't earn a whole lot, but you may earn something. Growth potential. Can it scale without much extra work? It's actually very good for that. I gave it a 9. Time investment. Guys, I think 5 to 10 hours per week, or maybe 20 hours if you really want to go hard. I gave it an 8. Startup cost. There's really not that much money required when you're just doing this. I gave this like a 9. It's really cheap. So difficulty. I don't think it's hard at all, but I gave it a 7. You might need some digital content experience. Profit margin, I think it's high margin because you're not really spending a whole lot to make money. Recurring income, hell yeah. That's a 7 as well, but I give it a 7 because I thought, you know what, you're gonna have to keep posting affiliate links and, well, maybe I might increase that. You never know. Okay, so my personal take is that this is a very good idea for people who are just starting out, and give it a try. So if you're ready to take action, if you found this guide helpful, I'd be so happy if you were to take a moment to share it with someone else who might be starting their own affiliate marketing journey. And if you want to see this content come to life, please go check out my blog and, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't keep your thoughts to yourself, guys. Drop a comment below with your biggest takeaway, the niche you're interested in, and any questions you guys got. Make sure to answer them. I'll check my comments and try my best to get back to you. Your feedback means a lot to me. Remember, we're in this together. And if you guys want to know about the next thing I'm doing, go check out one of these videos. I don't know where they are, somewhere here. And I'll probably be talking about affiliate marketing for Amazon and giving a walkthrough on that. And you can watch me sign up for a couple other affiliate programs, but mainly Amazon, all right? Hey, thanks. See you in the next video. Peace.